We've got a replacement for him, and he's phenomenal. He's amazing. He's 6'6". He is a beanpole. He comes all the way from Italy, and he's here to entertain you tonight. His name is Beep Beep the Clown.
No, it's all right. Yeah, I'm okay. All right. Ma'am. Yes. Okay. No, no. No, it's okay. I'm all right. All right. But, okay. Everybody, guess me. Why? How is it? Beat up. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Okay. Hey, buddy, I love you. Woo! Yes. Okay. Oh! Woo! Yes. You bet. Kiss him. You know it. See that, boo. Galaxy. Yeah. Ah. Yes. And people. Yes. Who's the meeting? Okay. This.
you have fun, BP?
I love you.
You love me? Oh, that's wonderful. I love you too.
Yes.
Yeah, sit down and talk for a second.
Wait.
Hey, you got your jacket? Oh,
Yes.
sit back there. All right.
Okay.
All right. That's fine. So, we'll come back here and join you. Okay, great.
Yes.
So BP.
Hi!
Hey! So BP,
Yes.
how long have you been a clown?
All my life.
All of his life. Wonderful, wonderful. Now,
Yes, is so right? Okay.
Okay.
All of my life.
All of his life. Yeah.
Woo.
Now, how long have you been in America?
All my life.
Okay.
Woo. Yes. Hollywood. Yeah. Okay.
So,
Oh, you are a very good show.
you know what? I think I can help this happen a little bit easier. I speak a little bit of Italian. Broccolini del Parmigiano Cinzano.
Pasty. So, beginner, så börjar det korset det fattigt det malet.
Rossini Barber of Seville.
No.
Mussolini Zucchini. BP. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. I love my mama. And the tiny piggy is my love.
BP, thank you for coming out tonight.